Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Taylor K, for those of you who don't know, and this is my teddy. I got it for a Valentine's Day present. I hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day, and if you didn't, then there's always next year. So today I want to take you guys with me. I'm actually going apartment hunting today, show you guys the different models of apartments that I'm looking at, and I want you guys to choose which one. It's my tank. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a couple different models. Can't even focus, tank. I'm gonna show you guys a couple different models that I've been looking at, and I want you to choose which model you think you like the best in regards to the apartment. This for pool and stuff. Oh, it's cute. They have like a little mini bar fridge thing over here. Okay. That's cool.
Swipe your key fob on the side.
Okay.
We don't put anybody in there for privacy reasons. You can either take the stairs or there is also an elevator.
Thank you. Oh, it has an intercom. That's cool.
Yes, that's the
If someone comes to your front door.
Right.
Yeah, that's great.
So this final floor is throughout only on a level where there's nobody beneath you. The same exact floor plan is directly above us, and they have carpeting in the main living area, and this is in your kitchen. Okay?
Okay.
So this way you don't hear them walking over. All of the floor plans, they come with the same granite countertop, dark cabinets, the same floor rings, and then the same appliance package. Now the brigantine is, as I told you, you take the refrigerator, it goes to the end,
Right.
you get another cabinet here, and you're able to walk around, so it makes your kitchen and the living room living.
Right. Okay.
But the same, everything else is still the same.
Okay. And this is a decent size.
See, each unit gets a balcony, but it's not for, you cannot put a barbecue out there, so we have that back at the clubhouse. The utilities are cheap too. Everybody pays $33 a month for the sewer. And then your water, gas, and electric is all based on your consumption. So you have your own meters here.
Yeah, this is a decent size.
It's a pretty big bedroom in here. Yeah, you can definitely put a king size bed.
Yeah.
So you have two
I don't
rows
know
for your
about big
short,
closet.
your shirts.
Mm-hmm.
You have two rows. Same as that.
Still kind of dark, but. And this is the washer dryer. Wow, these are huge. So that's nice. Did you see the washer dryer?
So what do you think?
I think it's very nice. Oh, and there's another little closet.
For your towels.
The shower.
So it's the same layout.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just on the other side.
Yeah, and this is, again, the kitchen is a walk around. It's not
Right.
like the first one. Yeah.
So you've got a ton of cabinets.
Yeah.
And the ones with all vinyl flooring are just on the first floor?
They're on the lower level.
The lower level floors.
So it's only on where nobody's beneath you.
Right, so it's not as loud. This is nice.
But you see the consistency. Stainless steel
Yeah,
lines
same
package. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a decent size.
They all come with the washer and dryer, which is lovely because you can do a real load of wash, and they're energy efficient. You don't have to go to like the laundry basement or the laundromat.
Yeah.
Like it's all good.
Yeah, that's the best part. What is this? Oh, that's a fan.
Yeah, the Deacon one. They use all the brigantine one.
So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below which apartment model you like the best. Keep me posted. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.